I'd do a quick video because a friend of mine said that she peels her beets prior to cooking them. And I'm like, oh my god, why do you do that? Because your hands will be all full of beet juice and, you know, it's just a big mess. And beets peel very easily after they've been cooked. Whether you roast them in the oven or you boil them on the stovetop, you can peel your beets really simply after they've cooked. Now, these are steaming hot, so normally I'll let them cool, but I'll just run a little bit of cold water over one here so I don't burn my hands. And you just pick up your beet after it's been boiled and squeeze it between your hands. That's it. And the skin pops right off. And actually, the juice don't really stain your hands. It just rinses off quite easily. So, that's it. I'll do another one here. I have some long beets. So I'm just going to squeeze it in the middle. Squeeze it on the top. And this little top piece, where the tops were attached, pops off as well. And let's do one more. Another round one here. And I leave all the old dirt and roots and everything on it. That's it. Squeeze them. Perfectly peeled beet. They're practically peeling without even squeezing them. It's an odd shaped one here. So clean. No mess trying to peel them raw. Just boil them and pop the peels off. One's a little hot. Oh, perfect. Nice big one here. Done. And you don't waste any either. If you're peeling with a knife prior to, you're probably digging into the flesh a little more and wasting more beet. But just look how thin this skin is. The skin itself just pops off extremely easy. And if you really don't want to get any pink on your hands, you can put a pair of rubber gloves on and do this. There we go. And I think there's one more in there. Look at that one. It's just like a tangle of roots. Watch how quick this is. Done. And even though my hands look red now, a quick rinse and that comes off. Whereas raw beet juice is a lot more difficult to get off your hands and out from under your nails. So, there we go. Alright, so very little wastage. If you didn't already know this, because obviously some people don't, go ahead, just rinse off your beets a little bit so there's no stones in them. Cook them whatever way you do, whether it's in the oven or on the stovetop, and boil them. Then after they're cooked, just take them out, give them a squeeze, and the peels come off perfectly.